Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. We're in a restaurant in Belo Horizonte with the wife Talita, and we are at Xapuri. It's a restaurant. It's a really well-known restaurant here that does amazing food. I'm gonna put some pictures in the video for you to see the kitchen. It looks fantastic. It's all over open fire. It's fabulous. But this dish here is, in English, it's chicken and brown sauce, which they use the blood within the chicken dish and lots of spices. It smells amazing. I'm gonna let Talita speak about it in English and in Portuguese.
Oh my God!
So, translate in Portuguese and in English for everyone to see.
Em português, we call frango ao molho pardo ou galinha ao molho pardo. In English, could I say chicken and brown sauce? I don't know. There is some kind of blood, really nice, in the really nice way, with the season, coriander. We love coriander and all the things. And here for the food as well, we have, I don't know English, we have that name in
Choco.
Chuchu, we call chuchu in Brazil. Beans.
Yeah.
Né? It is a kind of feijoada, I don't know, or just beans.
This one,
Angu, we call it is angu with
corn.
Okra in English, and in Portuguese we call quiabo, and arroz, and also we have couve, I would say couve, yes.
Greens, yeah.
Greens, yeah. And that's, it is my first try. I never tried frango ao molho pardo before. Let's see. I'm open mind.
I'll put a little bit for her. It's her first time trying it.
Going.
So again, like it has the blood that's in it. It smells absolutely amazing. I see the bones in there. I see chicken wings in there. There is the aroma, the smell is amazing. So I think if you try a dish like this, you just need to have a little bit of fun and just go for it and enjoy it. So let's put a little bit here. I just want to try the dish itself. I don't want to try the rice. We all know.
Like to put it with the rice. I like.
So I'm just gonna try a little bit of this one. And look, can you see this here? Look, it just falls off the bone. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Give it a little bit of a mix up. Here we go.
It's really nice, actually. It's really nice.
That is, I didn't know what to expect when I was having that, thinking, oh my God, it's going to be rich, it's going to be irony because there's blood in it, the spices. Don't taste no iron. It's just a brown, gravy, delicious sauce, and also the chicken just melts in your mouth. For me, this is probably one of the best dishes that I've had so far in Brazil, and I'm gonna give that right now. I'm gonna eat all of this. How's it for you?
Lovely. I just got a one bone.
Yeah.
But are all really nice. You have to try it.
Amazing. Look, I'm gonna get to it with my drink and Talita. So cheers to everyone that's watching. Al, that's gonna holding the phone right now. He's getting hungry. So look, cheers. Thank you so much, and yeah, get this dish. It's fucking awesome.